This is Luke Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Hyundai iLoad, stock number 7381. It's run from the 6th 2008 to the 10th 2012. Here's a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 5 dents, left rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door 4 dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory limited good tyre, right front headlight, front bonnet, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,